What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a technical momentum indicator that many crypto traders use when trading cryptocurrencies. It's called the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. We're going to break it down for you in this video so you're up to speed and you know exactly how this momentum indicator works to make you a better trader. So if you're just stumbling across this channel, make sure you hit the like button down below and subscribe. ClearCryptos is an educational platform. It also has its own token in DeFi, looking to make the DeFi space really, really strong in the future through analytical tools, educational content like this, a fiat on-ramp and off-ramp, and much, much more coming to the ecosystem. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Without further ado, let's jump right in here. So I've got a quick couple notes for you, and then we're going to jump into the chart. I'm going to show you what the RSI looks like on an actual chart. So Relative Strength Index is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. It measures the speed and the magnitude of price changes and fluctuations. The scale used to measure RSI is from 100 to 100. So what levels should you be paying close attention to? So here's what you're looking to see when you're looking at the RSI. Again, this measurement from 0 to 100. You're looking to see if an asset in particular is oversold or overbought, or maybe just neutral. So if an asset is overbought, the RSI is usually above 70. When something is overbought, usually you will see traders start to sell that cryptocurrency. Now, if something's oversold, that means it's below 30. When something's oversold, you'll usually see crypto traders come in and buy that particular asset. The RSI line crossing overbought or oversold regions is seen by traders as a signal to buy or sell an asset. If it's around 50, it's usually pretty neutral. We call that consolidation, right? Moving sideways. So this is also really helpful looking at trading ranges and stronger indicator. It's a stronger indicator, RSI is, when we're looking at longer time frames. So it's just one tool to use, but it's definitely a tool that many traders do use when looking at entry points and exit points if they're trading cryptocurrency. And mind you, this is also something you could use to look at when to buy a cryptocurrency for the long term, right? If something is oversold below 30, that's a good time to accumulate it for the long term as well. So the RSI box is this box down in here in purple. You could see here, this is the Shiba Inu chart. So recently, back in October, the end of October, we got a big pop in the price right here, right? And it lines up where Shiba Inu went all the way to the 15 range. It's trading right now at the 9.2. When this happened, you could see down on the RSI, here's 70 right here. It crossed over 70. What's that mean? The asset is overbought. What happened? It sold off, right? And so far, we have not seen anything on this RSI chart with Shiba Inu in the overbought or oversold zone. Right now, we're right around 50. We're kind of just consolidating right now, trading sideways. If you go back a little bit into August, we had a huge, huge move in the Shiba Inu price. It was severely overbought, all the way up to the 84 zone on this range. What happened? We came all the way back down and sold off from there. So we can really use this. We'll use one more indicator. Here's back in June where we reached some lows. What happened? It was oversold. Look what happened. We bounced back up right off of those lows. So this is a really important indicator that can help you become a better crypto trader and a better crypto investor for the long term. Hopefully this helps. Let me know what you think about all this down below. Check out all the links. Check out ClearCryptos. Hop in the Discord. Thanks again for stopping in. Bye.